Here's a 1080p take on the Schindler RT from 1991 here in Shadow's Carnegie Science Center. As you can tell, it's Schindler. We're gonna go to 2, which nothing is up there. Here we go. Brick. Wow, nice. Capacity 2,500 pounds. Bit creaking here and there, but it actually sounds interesting. These don't work anymore. Going down?
Yeah.
Which floor are you going to?
Ground.
Ground? Theater?
Yeah.
Door close button does not work. It's actually pretty nice. There is your RT fixtures. As mentioned on Mastery 3, you can't access that. Same cap as the glass one that got modded by Otis. Sensor beeps, which I really like. There it goes, Ann. That's it.